Hi everyone, this is Sharon from the Woman of AI, and today I'm here to do a quick video on how to use the blend feature of Midjourney. I know there have been a lot of questions about it, and it offers some fascinating results, so let's get to it. I'm sharing my screen, and when you're using the blend feature, you need to make sure that you have two pictures. So we're just going to create two pictures right here. So um, imagine um, magical, magical unicorn with all colors uh, in all colors near a lake with sunshine. So this is going to be a very quick prompt. We're going to go with the unicorn, all colors near a lake with sunshine, and then we're going to do a second picture. Imagine. Let's do natural valley with mushrooms, fairies, fairies, mushrooms, fairies, fireflies, uh, and flowers. Sun in the afternoon. Man. Okay. So our unicorn here is quite stunning. Whoa. Well, we got one horn. It's a very large one. So there are two that we can actually choose from because the third one looks like it has two horns. Or maybe those are the ears. Okay, so we're going to upscale these and pick the best one. That's nice. Three, four. Okay, so we have one. That one's nice. That horn is like way too long, but okay. Um, this one's nice. And this one. He has a castle in it. I think that's kind of cool. So let's go with number 4. So let's click this, right click, save image as. Just gonna put it right in unicorn 1. Now let's check on our other ones. Oh, this is nice. So we have a river there, a nice landscape, a river with bridges and waterfalls. Okay, let's go with the water. Let's go with number 1. So we're going to upscale this one. Oh, let's just upscale all of them. Oops. Three and 4. Okay, so we have the first one. That's really nice. Um, this is nice. That's very colorful, very nice, whimsical. This is even more whimsical with the waterfalls. Okay, let's go with number 4. So we're going to save this one, save image as. Mushrooms underscore. Okay, so now we have the two images that we want to work with. So we're going to go back to the, the beginning, and we're going to type a slash and imagine, sorry, blend. And when you hit type blend space, the prompt will ask you for your two photos or your two images. So we went to downloads here and we went with mushrooms and the unicorn. Okay. And you can put up to 6 pictures here. You can do an additional 4 more if you are going to be that um, adventurous. We hit enter and we wait to see what we get. And these two prompts here are the um, URLs of where those photos, those images are located. I really want to try to stop saying photos. This is on fast and we're waiting to start. So, let's see. Okay, and so here we are. We have a finished product. Really nice. It's upscaling this. reduce the waterfall just a little. Okay, reduce the waterfall a lot. And this would have been the one with the river. All of these are very nice. It's a very nice blend. This is what we started with. That's with mushrooms. And here's the unicorn. This is the one we went through that had the castle in the background. And there you have it. And that is how you actually use the blend feature. I hope this video helps you. The Women of AI are always here. You can drop us a question in the Facebook group at any time. The Facebook group is free. The Women of AI is the name of the group. You can visit our website at thewomenofai.com. We have a podcast starting the first week of August. And there's a newsletter that goes out for anyone who signs up. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.